What if I told you, you could clean and sanitize your entire home, from greasy ovens to grimy grout to dirty upholstery, using nothing but tap water? We tested 20-plus handheld steam cleaners in 2026, measuring heat-up speed, steam pressure, runtime, and real-world cleaning power, and the results will shock anyone tired of harsh chemicals. One popular steamer barely produced a trickle of steam, while our number 3 delivered 230 degrees Fahrenheit pressurized steam that blasted away years of grime in seconds. If you want a chemical-free clean that actually works, this is the only ranking you need. Starting at number 1. CURMEDI Handheld Steam Cleaner. The CURMEDI Handheld Steam Cleaner is a powerful and versatile tool designed to make your cleaning tasks easier. It heats up quickly, producing high-temperature steam that effectively removes grease, dust, and stains from various surfaces. This steamer is perfect for cleaning floors, tiles, fabrics, and even car interiors, giving you a multi-purpose solution for your home and vehicle. With 12 different attachments, you can easily reach tight spots and clean hard-to-access areas. Plus, it offers safety features like automatic shut-off and a child-proof cap, ensuring you can clean confidently around your family and pets. Number 2. Flgocexs Handheld Steam Cleaner. The Flgocexs Steam Cleaner is a powerful and user-friendly device designed to make your cleaning tasks easier and safer. With its 2500 W power, it heats up quickly in just 15 seconds, producing high-temperature steam that effectively removes tough grease and dirt without using any chemicals, keeping your home safe for family and pets. The upgraded handle lets you control the steam intensity remotely, giving you flexibility to tackle different cleaning jobs with ease. Its large 1,600 milliliters water tank allows for up to 45 minutes of continuous cleaning, so you don't have to stop and refill often. Plus, it comes with a variety of handy accessories to help you clean every corner of your home and car efficiently. Number 3. LABIGO Handheld Steam Cleaner. The LABIGO Portable Steam Cleaner offers a powerful steam system that heats up to 230 degrees Fahrenheit, making it easy for you to remove tough dirt from grout, kitchen messes, bathroom mold, and car interiors. Its 350 milliliters water tank provides up to 12 minutes of continuous steam for deep cleaning. Thanks to its quick 3 to 5 minute heat-up time and 1050 W power, you can start cleaning right away without waiting long. Plus, this cleaner uses only water, so you can sanitize surfaces safely around children, pets, and delicate fabrics without worrying about harsh chemicals. This makes cleaning both effective and eco-friendly for your home. Number 4. Mecmic Portable Steam Cleaner. The Mecmic Steam Cleaner offers fast and powerful cleaning with its 2500 W motor that heats steam to 250 degrees Fahrenheit in just 15 seconds, helping you easily remove tough grease and grime from your kitchen, bathroom, or car. With 45 psi of high-pressure steam, it reaches deep into fabrics and grout, making your cleaning quicker and more effective without chemicals. The device is designed with your safety in mind, featuring a low water alert and functions to prevent leaks or clogs, so you can clean confidently. Plus, its large 1,600 milliliters water tank lets you clean continuously for up to an hour, and the many included attachments tackle various cleaning tasks with ease. Number 5. McCulloch Handheld Steam Cleaner. The McCulloch MC1230 Handheld Steam Cleaner offers chemical-free cleaning, hot-pressured steam to eliminate grease, grime, and stains from different surfaces. With a quick heat-up time of under 3 minutes, it provides up to 10 minutes of steam for continuous cleaning. It comes with 11 versatile accessories and an extra-long power cord with a 34-inch extension hose for greater reach, making it easier to clean hard-to-reach places. The steamer is supported by a customer service team based in Andover, Kansas, and has a 2-year warranty. So which handheld steam cleaner will you use to transform your cleaning routine? Steam your thoughts into the comments. If this grime-busting review helped you find the perfect steamer, press that like button. It helps us test more. Want more cleaning tech truths? Subscribe. Next week we're testing pressure washers. All our top picks are linked below. Clean smarter, not harder.